What's up, everybody? Long time no smell. And did you miss me? Happy New Year to everybody. Hope you're still following your trading plan. And if you're just new to the markets or just finding me out, go back through the playlist and I can show you how I set up my trading plan. And that could help you to develop your own trading plan. You can't do what I do. Nobody can. I'm just that damn good. All kidding aside, I figured I would do a little end of the year roundup. I'm just now getting to doing my statements. So we'll do the public account statements too. And you can see during these videos, I decided I'll probably do a normal, what I would do in the public accounts as far as trading and everything. But market was up today. We're at all-time highs. So take a look at your account. And if your account is not at all-time highs, hit yourself in the thumb with a hammer, okay? Because it's not going to kill you, but maybe it'll wake you up to the fact that you need to improve your trading plan or you need to improve your discipline to actually follow it. A lot of people have a good trading plan, but they do not follow it. Just like having a good diet, so on and so forth, yada, yada, yada. So you can see here, this was the public account there on the, we showed every trade, up 69%. Boom, baby. So if we go over here to the 12 months on the SP 500, it did 16.35%, as you can see up here. And we put foot to tail end on that one and totally destroyed markets. As we go to the brokerage account, though, we got $4.44 of dividends and interest. I'm going to update the spreadsheet here and see how we did. So for the month, we fell short. Goal would have been about, I don't know, $26 or something like that. We only made 11. But for the year, $365 on a $10 a week deposit. So that's a 7x. Thanks for playing. Going into 2026, I have stopped my deposit. So we made $52 so far this month with no deposits. This is a return on all of these other months where I was putting $10 a week in. And you can see we added to investing. We did all the stuff. I'm following the plan every day. Are you? Are you? All right, all right, all right. Heading into the public investing account, up 60% as well. Destroying it. Remember, investing, I do nothing. Just buy it and leave it alone. So if you're not making a lot of money right now, you're doing something wrong. Okay, that's just that. The money's so easy right now, and we'll gain even more alpha if the market should correct. So here we have the public investment account. I'm going to add the 31-cent dividend plus the $5.08 substitute payments, which is just from some of our income funds. Okay. So you can see here we have $5.39. Boom. And should be able to get a visual representation up and to the right. Higher highs, higher lows, right? And we went from $1 to 7 to 40, and it will keep it going, right? So I'll do a little math on the back end here. We can do it right now. Speed to 69, maybe. Yeah. And this is money that will go in my bank account. And there is no deposit on this account. It is just half of the trading profits, right? So I'm making a few bucks a month off somebody else's money. This is not my money. And you can see the exponential growth curve starting to take off. And with us making the deposit from the trading account, there'll be more stocks to make more income, and so on and so on and so on and so on. And the trades are getting bigger. I did decide on the normal account to not use leverage, cancel all that. and I'll just do that in my main account. So that's what we have for the videos. How are you doing? Let me know down below. Post below. How many percentage points did you make last year? Did you beat the S&P? Also, take a time to look at the accounts you manage and compare them apples to apples with your 401k. Your 401k will show you a weird number. You must deduct your deposits. It will show account gains that include your deposits. So if your account went down $50 in a week in account value, but you made a $100 deposit, they will tell you your account made $50, but it did not. You just added money. So apples to apples, be objective, and continue to win. You can see here this already overcoats both of these months. We had a great month here. We had a really great month here that caught us up from some slow months. And that's the cycle. It continues. I'm in a lot of cash. You can see these are the same positions I had from when I was doing it every day. And on YouTube, I still do it every day, but I'm not sharing it because I want to help people, and I'm not sure that it's helping people. So a little bit of seed knowledge is out there. If you have extra time, go back and go through the playlists for the recaps and develop your own trading plan. And I can't tell you what to do. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, but I can tell you what I do. And I go through the videos and tell you step by step what my trading plan is. And it works for me very well. So if I don't make any money in the next 4 years, I still beat the market. Let that sink in. And spoiler alert, I do this every year. So easy to make money once you understand how money works and how it moves. So that's what we have. It's my nice little recap rant video. It's good to touch base, and it's possible for average people. I do not make a lot of money. I got divorced. I gave somebody a house. I go through all the struggles normal people go through, and we're starting to climb out. So went through early retirement. We're getting ready to go back into early retirement again at the age of 42 and start enjoying life. But you have to delay some of the gratification. We made a lot of sacrifices in our lives. My children have too. And it's going to be a big payoff. So every month is incredibly important to measure how you're doing and be really honest with yourself. Are you handling the responsibility correctly? Are you doing all the things right? Do you ever go back and look at trades that you completed and see what happened? Go back and look at stuff you did 6 months ago. The charts will show you. Just go back to the charts. That's why it's so easy when I talk to people about stocks to see if they're full of crap, because I'm going to ask you questions that don't have gray area. They are black and white. What day did you buy the stock? What price did you pay? What's the RSI on that day? What price did you sell it for? What is your sell price? If you bought it in October and it set up again in December, why didn't you buy it again in December? Are you out of money? Did you buy something you're not supposed to buy? There's a system that I've set up that works for me that is bulletproof, but I cannot download it onto other people as much as I would like to. It is not possible. In human nature, as I have so learned, is to tinker, and people got to figure out some of the stuff for theirself. And I can get folks sped up a little bit, but then if I give them too much, it's an overload. So I generally want to help folks figure out for themselves how to do better for their life. It only takes 3 years to retire in the stock market. That's the math. If anybody wants to dispute that, then probably shouldn't talk to stupid people. And but that's it. It worked. I did it, and I'm going to do it again and start a charity. So that's what we have for about 10-minute mark. I'm just a rambling at this point, but on a little closing note here, this is the stock market. It has went up your entire life. That does not mean that it will continue to go straight up. As you look at this chart, there are some big red candles. Will you survive the red candles? Because even a monkey picking stocks can win on the green ones. You ready for 2026? It's going to be my best year yet, and things are already starting off very, very, very well. So I hope you are too. Looked the other day, somebody talked about their year to date and killing it, up 7%. So in a few weeks, in 1 week, one full week of trading. This is going to be an insane year. So I hope you all do well. If you would leave me a like on the video, make sure you're subscribed, especially if you're still here at the end. You listen to 11 minutes, do your part, hit the thumbs up, and share it with somebody that maybe is interested in doing better for themselves. Most people are not. But send the maybes too. Maybe they will. But I hope this helps some folks down the road, even if I'm dead and gone. And I care about your guys' progress. I hope you do well. Be careful. Be responsible with your money. Take care of your family. People are the best investment you can make. And have an awesome rest of your weekend. We're going to be trading in 7 hours. 8 a.m. Eastern Standard, or 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Sunday night. Very exciting. Can't wait. Have fun. Good luck. Good skill.